CLP leader Kaisham Meghachandra has proposed seeking a fresh public mandate as the most effective way to resolve Manipur's ongoing crisis, citing the BJP government's consistent failure to address the situation over the past 3 years. Speaking at an India Bloc press meet at the Manipur Press Club, Meghachandra expressed deep concern that both the central and state governments have been unable to restore normalcy despite a significant passage of time. He specifically highlighted the government's inability to resettle thousands of internally displaced persons who remain in relief camps, arguing that this neglect demonstrates a lack of consideration for the populace. He further suggested that incumbent MLAs should resign to facilitate a fresh election, allowing citizens to elect a new administration capable of ending the prolonged unrest. Meghachandra further criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi for not treating the state's issues with the necessary seriousness and claimed that the government has ignored suggestions offered by the India Bloc. Questioning the continued validity of the current administration, the Congress leader asserted that the government has failed to meet public aspirations or provide justice to victims. The press meet was also attended by leaders from 10 political parties in the India Bloc.
Jahi ohum asida sarkar asina kalimata tauba ngamdraba loinana leadership oiriba sarkar pairiba singna parja ki confidence sagatpa amasung piba ngamdraba justice tauba ngamdraba shanti piba ngamdrabanina MLA bupu jahi ohum jahi manga gi tam amagi jahi manga asida jahi ohum irang nindhan ngamdraba Dengan asina, central government amsung state government na, MLA bupu si layugi kari dakar lagi. Miyang puno bakna, MLA bupu to tayo masi democracy sa palibak sila di shanti porokpa amsung iran yandhaba loy no order ngak pahay basa masi ay puno bagi mayang tayo tani hay bani na MLA bupu to tayo. Marapun na shanti later ba miyang the confidence people of drabadi MLA bupu design tawraga ano po medin ama lawja bana hena phare maramasin MLA bupu design tawra phare maramdi patayam kham thena ware maramasina prajana pami opposition political parties na pami sarkar ki action na to pami sarkar ki shanti hanjalan pa pami sarkar ki adegumba justice na to pami